This is what it's about on Lake Norfork with Binks Guide Service, right here. Nice Binks spoon there. Got a monster fish.
We're in the hills, Arkansas, and we got this big striper. We got a fillet, and it just doesn't look like it's gonna work. We have to find something better than this, I think. No, we'll be here all day.
We need a bigger knife.
We need a bigger knife.
Chainsaw time, that's what.
Yeah. This is redneck filleting. This is the way you fillet a fish in Arkansas.
Yeah. There's right through there, and then we're just going to come back through the backbone. Oh, yeah. Doing good, doing good. Alright, yeah, we got a nice clean cut there. Alright, so let's see, how we gonna do this. Man, when they're this big, you gotta keep it down.
You got meat everywhere.
Yeah. With a knife, so let's see what we can do here.
Yeah, I think you'll be okay with a knife from here.